Hello viewers, today we are going to see about displacement, velocity and acceleration. Already we have derived the final equation for displacement, velocity and acceleration. Displacement is given by a sin omega t, velocity is given by a omega cos omega t, acceleration is given by minus omega square a sin omega t. So we take the complete cycle, for example the complete cycle. This is the time period t, total time period. So this will be t by 2, this is t by 4 and then 3t by 4, then t. Similarly in terms of theta, 0 degree, 90 degree, 180, 270, 360. So we are going to substitute these values in these equations and we are going to tabulate the results. Okay. So the one thing easiest way to remember is omega t you replace by theta, so this will become theta. Here also theta, omega t, here also theta. So when t equal to 0, omega t is 0. Just now I told t equal to 0, theta equal to 0. So when omega, this value is 0, that is theta is 0 or omega t is 0, sin 0 is 0, 0 multiplied by anything is 0. Whereas for 0 degree, this is 0, cos 0 is 1, so this will become a omega. Here omega t is nothing but theta, theta value is 0, so this value acceleration is 0. So this happens at 0 degree. Next t equal to t by 4. T by 4 is equal to 90 degree or pi by 2. So we all know that this is theta, sin 90 is 1. 1 into a is a. Here 90 degree, you substitute in this place 90 degree, cos 90 is 0, so this value will be 0. Here sin 90 is 1, so you will be getting minus omega square a. Next we move on to t by 2 of the total time period, t by 2, which is nothing but 180 degree, pi means 180 degree. So you substitute this 180 here, sin 180 is 0, 0 multiplied by anything is 0, cos 180, cos 180 is minus 1, so this will become minus a omega. Then sin 180 is 0, so this value will be 0. This is for 180 degree. Then t is equal to 3t by 4. So angle wise it is 270 degree, pi by 2 is 90, 90 into 3 is 270. So sin 270, sin 00, sin 91, sin 180 0, sin 270 is minus 1. So this value is minus 1, therefore minus a. Now cos 270. Cos 0 is 1, cos 90 0, cos 180 minus 1, cos 270, it is 0. So 0 multiplied by anything is 0. Then sin 270, sin 270 is minus 1, minus into minus will become plus. So this value will become omega square t. Finally, when t equal to t, that is 2 pi. 2 pi means one rotation is totally completed. That is, it is same as 0 degree. So 360 degree. 360 means it starts from 0 and completes one rotation. So once again it is at 0 only. But since we start and complete, we call it as 360 degree. So sin 360 is 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. Cos 360 is nothing but cos 0. Cos 0 value is 1, so it is A omega. Finally, sin omega t, sin 360 is 0, 0 multiplied by anything is 0. If you see the last row, whatever values set t equal to 0, same values appears here also. 0, 0, A omega, 0, 0. So whenever you see, if you see displacement, acceleration, if you just see these two values, when velocity A omega, this is 0. When velocity is 0, you have some acceleration. When you have velocity, acceleration is 0. When velocity is 0, you have some acceleration. And we have seen the equations also. So this is just what we have seen already. We have derived the three relations in the earlier video, like displacement, velocity and acceleration. Based on that, we are trying to sum up, give what happens at particular angle, say 0 degree, 90, 180, like that. So this gives a better idea of what happens to displacement, velocity and acceleration. Especially at t equal to 0, you see the velocity as A omega, whereas it is 0. When t equal to 90, velocity is 0. That is the circle when it moves on the top, 90 degree, velocity is 0, whereas acceleration is minus omega square by omega square A. So this gives an overall view of displacement, velocity and acceleration that's happening in a simple harmonic motion. Hope you have understood this tabulation. Thanks for watching. Nandri.